lat pull down. So the setup I have going here is just to simulate what your lat pull down would look like at the gym, or if you were to rig your own at home using tubing or something else. So you're going to go ahead and get in front of your lat machine. You're going to pull down your lat bar. The important thing that I want you to do is to lean back. You're going to make sure that your ribs don't come up. You're going to keep your ribs flush to your abdomen. From there, you're going to open the elbows wide and pull the bar towards your collarbone and back down again. It's important that as you pull, your spine doesn't move, but even more importantly, that your shoulders don't come up. So in other words, as you pull, you don't want that going on. You want to make sure those arms, your shoulders stay down, abs are tight, ribs stay down as well. And that is your lat pull down.